Alright guys, what's going on? It's Danny White. Today, we're going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff, working on the Hyundai, going to do axle swap, bearing. There's some kind of wobble going around. I don't really know what it is, going to go figure it out. But, yeah, before we get this video started, I got to go ahead and load up the car. Y'all be here for that. I got to grab some tools for my mom's. I'm currently at my mom's right now. I will soon go to my apartment, and we'll go and do it at the car wash over there. Stay tuned, y'all. What a mess. Okay guys, so this is my garage. It's pretty messy. I do have to clean it out. The drift car. I do have to clean it out. I have to put it in here. I gotta drop the knuckles, control arms, and go get them sent to get worked on. I'm gonna shave the knuckles and extend the lower control arms. But for right now, I currently need that air compressor, that toolbox with a bunch of sockets, and impact gun, which is right there in the box. Great, so this is the story now. I am currently locked at my mom's house. My car keys and everything are in there. Everything is a mess. Let's see. Hopefully I have a card here of, yes, let's go. We are in, yes. We're in, time to move the car. There we go. Put you guys. Alright guys, that looks like it's it. I have the air compressor. I need to grab this box, which I think is my, wheel bearings. Gotta put this up. Alright guys, that looks like it's it. There's people over there and it's kind of funny how I'm like talking to a camera and stuff. We're gonna go ahead and go to my apartment, go to the car wash that's over there, and we're gonna go ahead and send it. I'll catch you guys whenever we go there. Bye. Alright guys, we are at Circle K. I do need some gas. We are currently on the way to the car wash where I am gonna be swapping out the axle for the Hyundai, because I did look under there and it is the axle, even though I did get wheel bearings and other parts that we're probably not going to swap out right now, only because I only need the axle. I have really deep wheels, so my wheel bearings will go out soon. I'd rather wait for these to go out before swapping the good ones in. With that being said, I'll see you guys over at O'Reilly's and we'll get it going. Little Cooper. On 4?
On 4?
Yeah.
1320.
There you go. Thank you, boss.
And
Let's go. That Poklo. Let's go. No, we're not going to Advance. Not going there. Here they like to put stores that are the same thing next to each other. So we got an Advance, literally, right next to an O'Reilly's. That is really funny. But we are here at O'Reilly's. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the axle, grab some Miata parts that I also need, and we'll go from there. Catch you guys later.
It is 6219.
That's 80 for you. Yes, so it's a success. We are going now. We are on the way to the car wash to go work on this car and get it done. Hit it without quitting it, guys. Alright, we're currently at my, shut this stupid thing up. We are currently at my apartment where all my shit is. Car wash is also here. We're gonna be working on it here. I'm gonna leave the dog inside. Gotta walk the other dog, which is my girlfriend's dog. And yeah, but this is the drift car. I have a lot of plans for it. It runs and drives and it does the whole shenanigans, but I need to do some steering angle mods. I need to do a hydro e-brake and a few other things. I'm getting a roll cage on Wednesday and we're currently going to be doing that next video. Hey Flash. Hey Flash. Hyundai. Gotta load up the jack, some other tools into the Hyundai, but I've gotta say, I gotta have the messiest porch ever. Like, I have a stack of tires there, got the jack, all got a mess, and I even have it. I have this block in there so nobody else can have any ideas, but I have a whole dirt bike frame right there, which we'll get into that into another video. Got a frame and motor and all of that. Go ahead and load up this and get going. Alright guys, that should be it. We are ready to go to the car wash and send it. Oh, I like my hat. There we go. Much better. Ooh. Ka-chow. Alright, so let's go ahead. Dogs are eating. Good to go. Get the Hyundai and check this. Ooh, the Miata, the drift car. Y'all will see it. Y'all will see it. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be real nice. Yes, that is nice. Oof, look at that. Work truck material. The Santa Fe. I don't think anybody has seen a lifted Santa Fe. Yeah, on 2-inch spacers and deep dish wheels. Full negative. All right. Put my seatbelt on. So, this is what just happened. There was somebody at the car wash in the spot where I was trying to do the axle, but hopefully when we go to this other spot, we will have power. I need to have power to power that air compressor back there, and then I can do everything much quicker. Get it done, because the sun is about to go down, and that's something we need to worry about right now. It's currently about 6. Sun goes down around at 8. Shouldn't take that long to take it apart. We'll see how it goes, but just hit it and quit it, or hit it without quitting. Alright guys, we are here at the car wash. Like I said, somebody had shown up to the one that I wanted to go to, but we can be here, I guess. We'll see. I don't think anybody's gonna say anything. So I got the wheel off. I was trying to see if I should get the spacers off, but I don't think I'm gonna need to do that. I got the nut off. I was trying to get that on film, but the camera fell. But now we gotta undo these two so this can fall, the axle can come out. I gotta go in there. And you can see how messed up it is. Alright, I got the two and now I just gotta hammer them out. I got that out. I got it separated. All I gotta do is go under here and pry it out from right there. Which they say you need to use those grooves, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Oh, there we go. I don't know if y'all's will be that simple to come off, but mine just simply just slid right off. And you can see there's the shaft. Look how bad that is. But you go ahead and now how we're Alright guys, so we have accomplished to get the old one out. There it is. You can see it's literally busted. I don't know. But we got the whole new shebangs. There's the shaft. Everything looks pretty good. I hope I'm not stretching this. I really should undo it, but we'll see. It doesn't look like it's stretching that bad. This one, I undid it and it gave me more clearance to just go ahead and drop it up. So I got it sealed. Get it all nice and flush. You guys can see I don't have a flashlight. Alright, so now that the axle's back in, put those two bolts back in, put the sway bar back in, put that back in. I'm about to just put that on. Everything seems like it's back on. It's time to put back, oh, cannot forget this. Everything looks good. Go ahead. this out of the way. Move this out of the way. And grab that wheel. This. Man, I've got to say, it is pretty hot. Y'all like and subscribe for me. Cause look at this. Hot, humid, y'all don't know how this Carolina weather is. Uh-oh, the lights came on, mentioning it's getting dark. But we're already finishing up. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys down. Guys, job is done. We are completely done. It is starting to get dark out here. Probably my face is all black. I'm all black. I'm ready to get home. I'm ready to shower. We just gotta put this up. We'll test drive it. Hopefully that'll be it. Should take a look at the other side. See if the boot's going bad. On this side. This side looks good. Alright. Sweet. Maybe while we're here, we'll give her a car wash. Alright, boys. Put you guys up. Put you right here. Gotta grab the extension cord. Of course. Alright. So that concludes the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it's something you guys would like to watch. If you guys want to subscribe for more. And then, yeah, there'll definitely be more to come. There'll be definitely more to do. I'm trying to come up with a whole brand, a whole logo. And so if you guys want to help me out with that, come on, hop on aboard. Let's get her done. But, yeah, stay tuned for a little bit of drifting. We'll go sliding. We'll go killing. We'll do how I do. Let's get it.